1 year ago, on May 16th, 2025, our city changed. In a matter of moments, the tornado that moved through St. Louis left behind destruction that touched neighborhoods, homes, and hearts across our city. It brought loss, it brought disruption, it brought doubt. But more than that, it brought focus. It revealed who we are. In the immediate aftermath, when so much was unclear, one thing was not: our commitment to our students, to one another, and to our community. Across this district, you showed up. You checked on students, your colleagues, and families across the district. You opened your classrooms and your hearts. You created calm in the midst of chaos. You communicated, adapted, and led, often in real time, often under incredibly difficult circumstances. You did more than respond. You inspired, because what we endured together did not simply test us, it transformed us. It deepened our sense of purpose. It sharpened our focus on what matters most. It built bonds between our schools, our families, and our community. From that shared experience comes something powerful, a renewed vision of what we are capable of achieving together. We are not the same district we were 1 year ago. We are stronger. We are more connected. We are more aware of the critical role we play, not just in educating students, but in stabilizing and uplifting an entire community. What we have endured has become a source of inspiration for what we will build. We have seen what is possible when we move with urgency and unity. What we have experienced, the impact of clear, compassionate communication. We have witnessed the difference it makes when every decision is grounded in care for our students, our colleagues, and our families. And now, we carry those lessons forward, not just as memories, but as momentum. Momentum that will shape how we support every learner. Momentum that will guide how we encourage every family. Momentum that will push how we show kindness to one another. Momentum that will drive how we thrive at every school. We understand something now deeper than we have before. We are not our circumstances. We are not defined by any storm that comes our way, but how we stand firm and choose to rise after it. We are defined by our belief in ourselves, our belief in each other, and our belief in what is possible for every child entrusted to us. That belief carried us through our hardest moments, and it will carry us into our greatest achievements. So today, we remember. We honor those who were impacted. We recognize the resilience that lives in every corner of our city. And we recommit ourselves to the work ahead with clarity, with confidence, and with purpose. What we have already done together is powerful, but what we will achieve together because of it will be transformational. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for your heart. And thank you for continuing to be the difference for our students, our families, our community, and our city. With deep gratitude and pride, we love you and we thank you.